Jai Hind and welcome. Today, we are witnessing a historic transformation in India's defense landscape. From massive fighter jet deals to becoming a security pillar for Europe, India is no longer just a buyer, it is a global power player. Let's dive into the headlines defining our national security. The skies are set to roar. The Ministry of Defence is expected to give the green signal this week for the procurement of 114 Rafale fighter jets. This mega deal under the multi-role fighter aircraft program is a strategic game-changer, aimed at filling critical gaps in the IAF's squadron strength. With a multi-billion-dollar budget and a long-term vision, this procurement will secure our air superiority for decades to come. The strategic partnership with France is hitting new heights. As President Macron visits India, the focus isn't just on buying hardware, but on deep technology transfer. We are looking at co-developing advanced jet engines and strengthening naval cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. This ensures India stays at the cutting edge of military innovation. In a massive geopolitical shift, India and Greece have signed a joint declaration to boost industrial cooperation. Greek Defense Minister Dendias recently reviewed the indigenous Akash missile system, stating that India is now central to Europe's strategy. This marks a major milestone for Atmanirbhar Bharat as NATO standard militaries look toward Indian-made solutions for their security needs. India is showcasing its indigenous might on the world stage. At the World Defence Show 2026 in Riyadh, Indian manufacturers took center stage, targeting Middle Eastern markets. From Tejas components to advanced missile systems, the world is watching as we transform from the world's largest importer into a global defence export hub. The race for the Indian skies is heating up. Sweden's Saab is making a strong pitch for the Gripen jet, offering total technology transfer and domestic manufacturing. Simultaneously, India is bolstering ties with Malaysia to ensure stability in the South China Sea. This multi-aligned approach to modernization is reshaping the Indian armed forces into a tech-heavy, indigenous superpower. India's journey toward total self-reliance in defense is unstoppable. As we strengthen our borders and our industries, the world takes notice. If you want to stay updated on our nation's rise as a global military power, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Jai Hind!